Hello friends, today I am going to discuss summary of the chapter The Tiger King. It is the chapter number 2 of Vista's book of class 12. This story is about the king of Pratibandhapuram. Astrologer predict his future that a tiger will kill him. At this surprisingly 10-year-old infant said, "Let a tiger beware." He grows up like the children of royal family by drinking the milk of white cow. He was looked after by English nanny and by watching English movies. When the 10-year-old infant was of 20 years, he became the king. Then he come to know about the prediction of his death. The king has started killing tigers and he put a ban on tiger killing, which means except king, no one is allowed to kill tigers. At this, astrologer said, "You have to beware of 100th tiger because he is the cause of your death." Next paragraph is, an high rank officer has come to visit Pratibandhapuram. He wants to hunt the tiger. For this, he asked from king, but the king declined his wish. So, in order to escape from the anger of high rank officer, the king gave 50 diamond rings to the wife of high rank officer. After that, he killed 70 tigers. Now, no tiger is left in Pratibandhapuram. So he decided to marry with a girl whose estate have so many tigers. And whenever he went to his in-laws, his aim was to kill 5-6 tigers each time. So in this way he kills 99 tigers. Now no tiger is left in forest of Pratibandhapuram and in his in-laws. Then he tries to find left one tiger, but he is unable to find the left one tiger. For this, he scolded Devan. Next paragraph is, Devan got an old tiger from the circus and he dropped the tiger into the forest. By facing so many difficulties, next day when king arrived for hunting, he kills 100th tiger and he becomes happy after killing 100th tiger. But the tiger was not dead. He was still alive because he becomes faint after listening the sound of the bullet. Then the soldiers of the king killed the tiger themselves. King becomes happy after killing 100th tiger. On the birthday of his son, he bought a wooden tiger as a birthday present for his son. The edges of wooden tiger were rough. While playing with wooden tiger, a sliver enters into the hand of king, due to which infection occurs to the king and he dies. So in this way, 100th tiger took revenge and killed the king.